Hello everybody, and welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video I'm actually going to be doing some memory wire bracelets with some matching earrings. And you guys, this is actually my favorite type of bracelet to make. I love the memory wires because I get multiple layers. I always do 3 or more rows. And you know what, I really don't know. I'm right now trying to figure out what I'm going to make, what it's going to look like. I think I might just use some of these beads that I actually got from Walmart. These came in like the little packs of 98 cents, 99 cents, something like that. But I like how they look. Like, they look, you know, very tribal-esque. Is that a word, tribal-esque? I don't know. Let's make it a word. Okay, so we're going to use that, and I'm trying to figure out if I want to do it gold or silver. Gold or silver. Let's do silver. Okay, yeah, let's do silver. I like the way that looks. Okay. So, and these are like super easy to do also. They're not hard, but because it's, you know, 3 layers, it does take quite a bit of beads to fill them up. So, let's see. That's 1, 2, 3, and then let's cut it off, right? Because it's not my cutters. Let's cut it off right there. Come on. Okay, there we go. Alright, so see, we got our 3 layers, 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows. And so to get started, what you want to do is you just want to take one end, take it around those pliers, and you just want to make a little curve on this row. And I like doing this also because at the end, if you want to hang a charm from this, you can also hang a charm if you want. It's just so much you can do. So right now I'm going to go ahead and get my beads out that I am going to use, and then I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so these are the finished sets. You guys, I am so in love with how they came out, especially this mint and brown one. I think I just like any color green though, because it's like my birthstone color. So I just love it. Look at it, and I feel like it's got the right amount of the little sparkle, the little bling. It's got the dangle piece. I just love the dangle piece. And I love this one too. I do. Y'all know I like my black. And this also has the right amount of bling and sparkle. And look, it's got the dangle piece as well. Y'all, let me know which one you like, which one is your favorite. And you know what? I had to think, like, you know what? Everybody don't like big earrings. Some people just like, you know, little cute dainty earrings. So I also got to make, you know, some little dainty earrings, because everybody doesn't like, you know, the big old hoops like I do. But y'all, love it. And these are light. Like, these are very light. Even though these have like beads on them, these are lightweight. It looks like they would be heavy, but they're not. They are not heavy at all. Okay, so I love it. If you got any questions at all, please feel free to ask. You guys, I'm so excited for my website July 1st. Like, I'm excited. I'm gonna keep working all around the clock. Yeah, so I'll see you guys very soon. I'm going to be bringing a ton of videos. I'm going to try to record as much as I can. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.